With the functionality of 2 tools in one machine, the ToolShed benchtop planer and thicknesser is ideal for any light woodworker or home workshop. Powered by a 1500 watt motor and located on the table on the top of the machine, the planer is capable of planing 0 to 3 mm deep with a maximum cutting width of 204 mm. To use the planer, first you need to make sure that the included dust extraction port is fitted. This acts as a safety switch. The machine will not operate without it. To fit this port, line it up with the guide holes located on the table and fix it into place. Next, adjust the fence to the desired angle and set the guard to allow you just enough room to allow your workpiece to be fed through. Use the knob located at the end of the table to set your required depth to be removed each pass. Start the machine by lifting the emergency stop button and switching the power on. Now feed your workpiece through until you reach your desired result. Using the thicknesser on this machine is just as simple. Unscrew the dust extraction port from the table and install it in the thicknesser's location. Once this is installed, turn the handle on the top to set the thicknesser height. A handy gauge on the machine lets you keep track of the thickness of your workpiece with each pass. Start up your machine, feed in your workpiece, and watch as the machine takes care of everything. The thicknesser has a feed rate of 8 meters per minute and can handle workpieces from 5 mm to 120 mm thick. This is an essential machine for woodworkers. Check it out online or in store at your local tool shed.